gaano po ba dapat kadalas na ini-inspect po yung mga power plant na yan?
In terms of maintenance inspection po, wala hong regular na
Wala.
maintenance
So
inspection
pwedeng
po.
after 10 years, after 50 years, after 100 years, saka mag-inspect, okay lang.
Opo.
Diyan kayo nagka-problema. Diyan
Your
tayo may
Hon-
problema.
Opo.
Kaya pala marami mga outages, power outages, na kapag nag-inquire kami, sinasabi yung planta nag-back down dahil nasira, dahil merong pyesa ang kailangang palitan at kailangang pang orderin kung saan lupalop ng mundo o sa lupalop na lugar. So, hindi nyo ginagawang trabaho nyo dyan sa ERC.
The first inspection of the ERC is during the COC application.
During the application. And
Opo.
then
So
next
that's
will
the first
be,
inspection. Tapos yung previously the COC rules provides for 5-year term of the COC. So
so after 5 years.
no po, midterm
So
another
5 years of midterm is
inspection,
after 2.5 years.
2.5 years, and then the next will be the next application,
Okay,
Your
and let me
Honors.
ask you this. So sa tingin mo, tama yun? So every 2 year, midterm of the contract. So in this case, sabi mo, binigyan mo example, 5 years. So once lamang or twice lamang? Dahil hindi mangyari yung poor maintenance kung well-monitored itong mga plantang ito. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honors. Admittedly, what we do is desk monitoring
At kapag
based on
meron,
the benchmarks. that
more monitoring dapat.
You don't have people who regularly inspect the power plants, right?
None, Your Honor.
As you said, you do desk maintenance, which is you require the power plants to submit a report on the condition of their plants.
Yes, Your Honors.
Now, it's good if they will declare against their interests and say that there's something wrong with their plant. They usually don't. So they will say everything is good and dandy. These are private corporations that are for profit, which is admittedly, pinrivatize nga natin eh. So tinatanggap natin na yung mga kumpanya to gustong kumita. Ngayon, kung kailangan palitan yung filter, kulang pa yung budget eh. Nagtitipid yung kumpanya. Linisin na lang muna natin. You won't even know about that, right? Because you're dependent on their submissions. Even what you said kanina na every 5 years, you require them to submit. But nobody actually from ERC or even DOE goes to the plant who understands the plant and will be able to see and say, ba't hindi nyo pinaltan to? Di ba dapat pinaltan na to 2 years ago? Nobody is competent in both ERC and DOE and does that actually, right?
Yes, Your Honors, and limited yung staff to do it.
No, whether limited, but nobody does it. Even DOE, right? Yusek, you don't do that too.
No, Your Honor.
The fact that you should monitor the plants more closely because we have more unplanned outages than we do planned outages. Now, I have the specific reasons to hear why. But these are all based on the submission of the plant itself. Actually, wala kayong kamuang-muang. You don't have eyes, you don't have ears, you don't have feet and warm hands on the ground to find out kung ang sinasabi ba talaga nilang rason, totoo o hindi. And my problem is, you will decide based on their submission and their submission alone. Kung i-impose niyo ba sila ng fine dahil hindi inaalagaan yung planta.